smoked, fresh, creamy corn on Smokin' and Drinkin'. Hey, welcome back to Smokin' and Drinkin'. I'm Mike, and today we're going to be smoking a side dish. Let's get smoking. All right, we're going to be making a side dish today. As you can see, we've got some ears of corn here, corn on the cob, and we're going to smoke the corn, but we're not going to just do a traditional corn on the cob grilling or smoking. We're going to make smoked, fresh, creamy corn. This is a recipe. This is an adaptation of one of Mrs. Smokin's recipes, and it is a family favorite. Very, very well loved and requested at all family events. So let's get started here. First thing we're going to do, we've got our smoker preheated at 225, and we're using apple pellets. And we're going to just put a little bit of oil on each corn cob, and then we're going to smoke it for about 45 minutes to an hour. So let's just get started. We're just going to oil each one of these up, and that's just a light oiling, just to kind of give it a little bit of crisp. This just helps lock in that moisture a little bit and keeps them juicy, and just helps them adhere some of that smoke. All right, once you've got your oil on them, there goes the cap. We are really fighting the Kansas wind today. Then we're just going to put them right on the grate, on the grill grate. We've got about 8 or 9 ears of corn here. I'm going to keep them spaced a little bit so that they all get well smoked. This is where we're going to impart our smoky flavor on this dish. As you can see, we've got our cast iron Dutch oven here, and once you put something in the Dutch oven, it's a little harder to get the smoke on it. So we're going to smoke the corn before we put it in the Dutch oven and add the other ingredients. So we're going to let, like I said, we're going to let that go for about 45 minutes to an hour, and we'll check back in. Okay, our corn has been smoking for almost an hour and about 55 minutes, and we're going to pull it off, get back in the crock in the Dutch oven here, and we're going to take it inside, and we're going to cut the corn kernels off of the cob here. So let's get these off, and we'll get them in and get them cut. All right, get them inside. We'll get the kernels cut off of them and get on with the next step. Okay, I had Mrs. Smokin help me cut the corn off the cob. We've got a whole Dutch oven full of it here, and we're going to add our other ingredients. We've got 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 stick of salted butter, and we have about a tablespoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of kosher salt. And so we're going to just add it all in there, mix it up a little bit, and get it back on the smoker. So we'll start with the butter. Butter in there, and then before it blows away, I'm going to add the dry ingredients here: the kosher salt and the black pepper and the sugar. Whoa! All right, and then get our cream cheese. Got to secure everything so the wind doesn't blow it away. Cooking outside has its challenges. Also got the sun peeking right through there I gotta stand just right so you can see me. The sun always peeks through right around supper time. All right. And there it goes. I didn't secure the butter wrapper. And we're just gonna got that from my birthday from my daughter. Smoking and drinking on there. This is a cowboy spatula. All right, then we just plop it in there. Get some of that extra off of there. Don't want to waste it. There we go. And you could stir it up. I usually just let it melt, and then I'll stir it later. We're just gonna throw the lid back on and get it back on the smoker, and we're gonna let it go for. We're gonna bump the temperature up just a little bit to about 275, and we're gonna let it go another 15-20 minutes until it's all melded and mixed together real good. So let's get that back on the smoker. There we go. And we'll check back in about 15-20 minutes. Oh boy. That is an awesome side. But you're gonna have to wait to get a taste. After all, it is a side. And next week you'll see what we made to go with this, and we'll get a taste of both of them. Stay tuned for that one. As always, thanks for tuning in to Smokin and Drinkin. And remember to hit that like and subscribe. And as always, Prost!